I'm going to pick it up in a little bit, is 0.008 times 0.07. Okay. So some of you used to work with all of those zeros. You'd write down the whole thing. And then I'd see, 56, and then I'd see 0, 0, 0, and then 0 times that, and then 0 times that. And do you need to do that? No. So we don't need to do this anymore. What are the only two numbers that I need to work with? The 8 and the 7. What's 8 times 7? 56. Is 56. And then on this one, now again, you count all of the digits to the right. So there's 2 here and 2 more here. So do you remember where you would put the decimal? 4 places over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. It's real easy. So when you're working these, again, you may ignore the zeros. Work it as normal. I don't even want to do any of these. Oh, these are so easy, because most of these are single digits. I would suggest that you write the double digits. In fact, we'll do this number 7 on your paper. What are the only two numbers that I need on the number 7? 27 and 89. I don't need to put anything. I don't even need to put my decimals. So 89 times 27. And again, this is just a little review on multiplication also. So 7 times 9 is 63. Carry that. 7 times 8, everybody forgets. What's 7 times 8? 56. Are you the only one that knows? Guys, 56 plus 6 more is going to be 62. Okay. Now again, some of you are used to putting a placeholder here, which you can if you want. I usually don't. Because I'm starting with the tens, I know that it goes right under it. Just like in the ones, it goes right in the ones column. With the tens, it goes in the tens. If I had another digit, it would go over here. So you can put a placeholder if you want, like that, but put a little line through it so I know that nothing multiplied to give me a 0. So then I'm going to start with the 2. 2 times 9 is 18, and I'm just going to cover up that 6. And then 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 more is the 17. We've got 3, 10, and that's going to be 7, and 7 is 14. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it over here. I hope that my answer's right. It doesn't have to be lined up any special way. But then, how many places in should I go? There's 2 numbers to the right here, 3. And there's 1 more to the right down here. And you are right. Altogether, it's going to be 3. And I could have done it here. 1, 2, 3. And double check and see if that answer is there. Oh, there it is. Okay, and then just draw a line through it. This is one where you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes left. You'll have 7 boxes left. You'll cross out 20, and then again, what's ever left, if that LA, you'd put LA, and so on. All right. When you're doing something like the number 18, on the 18, what would you put on top?
202.
202, because it's got more digits. So this has only got 2, this has got 3. So put the 1, by the way, this is number 7. Put the one that has more on top, 202. And then it's going to make it really easy. And then I'll let you go ahead and multiply that. And then on this one, how many places over would you go when you get your answer? Okay, Mateo, how many places over on this one would you go? 3, yeah, because there's only 1, 2, 3 numbers to the right. How many places over on the number 16 would you go when you get your answer? How many? Is it just 4? 5, because you've got to the right of the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to the right there's one more. So altogether it's going to be 5. And then let's see if there's any problem with, oh, the only word problem question I think they had yesterday was the number 20. On this one it says, how long is the actual car? They're concerned about the length, and that's it. So the scale model of a race car is 18.2 centimeters long and 6.9 centimeters wide. Each of those centimeters represents 0.3 meters on the actual car. How long is the actual car? Who knows what I need to do on that one? Abhinav, do you have an idea?
You add 18.2 and 6.9. Then
Well,
the answer of that has 0.3.
but, okay, let's suppose I had a 7-inch by 5-inch frame. All right. Well, no, this is not a good example. But all they want to know is the length. Do I care about the width? No. You go according to the question. They just care, they don't say how long is the length and the width. It's just how long. So which number don't I need? I don't need the 6.9. So I'm just finding the actual length. So each one of these centimeters, that's a centimeter, is 0.3 meters, and another 0.3 meters, and another 0.3 meters, and I've got 18.2 of them. Who knows what I have to do? That's it. Okay, 18.2 times the 0.3. And then again, I'll set it up. Okay, you just need to set it up like this. But then when you're done, if you want to put your decimals back here, how many places would I have to go over on my answer? 2. So, because it's 1 to the right here and 1 to the right here. Do I need to go over any more? I think you guys are good. This is all you have to do today. This one paper, and you can begin. In just a few minutes, I will pick up the homework from yesterday. Yeah, you can go get yours.